Okay. Hey everybody, it's Tracy again. So this is going to be box number 2, but it's spring cleaning bundle number 1 of my Cricut bundles. And I don't know which video I'll post first, but bundle 3 was actually a lot more exciting after I got done with the video. It comes with little cardboard drawers. So, to store your leather and stuff in. Yes, I'm cutting towards myself, but I do that. People say that to me all the time at work. So I've been waiting a week for these spring cleaning bundles, and they finally came today. So the first fun thing, paper, lots and lots of paper. I wonder if I can cut that. You might hear my dog walking in here, so because she's that way. So this one, I'm not sure all I will use, but I know that my granddaughter will love some of the stuff in there because she's 6 and girls like pretty things. This one has more iron-on, so cutting glitter iron-on, and there's more pretty colors. She's gonna love that one. I don't know how many are in there, I forget, but there's quite a few sheets in there. I'll open this one. I didn't open it in the last video because I am not a glitter person, but these ones aren't the ones that rub off. So there's the pretty purple. There's a couple of sheets of that. They're stuck together, I guess because it's iron-on. Pretty pink, blue, and silver. So this will be fun. I've never done iron-ons before. I've always had a Cricut, but this is a new thing to me. There's 2 of each of those sheets. This is what I think she's gonna like. It's Hello Kitty, and it's paper, I think. Yeah, 2 sheets of each pattern paper, 12 by 12 papers, and it's Hello Kitty, and I think she's gonna super love that. If she likes Hello Kitty. I don't wanna use my knife because I don't wanna ruin it, but I wanna do a flip through for you guys. So, it's Christmas Hello Kitty, but I think, it's still gonna be cute. Double-sided. It doesn't have that awesome paper smell. So there's the papers there. Hello Kitty, deluxe paper, holiday. There's that one there. And I don't know what's in here. I think it's more vinyl. I don't really remember. I'm just excited to buy all this stuff because it's a really good deal. So, more glitter. I don't know if this must be iron-on too. I'm not really sure. It doesn't say. But I'll go ahead and open it real quick. Still learning my new camera, but I have my husband videography, whatever you want to call it. So it's the iron-on. Oops, got it upside down. So there's black, a couple black. There's quite a few actually. It looks like there's like 4 of each. White and gold and silver iron-ons. I really am going to have to learn how to do that, I suppose. So there's that, and then some gold Cricut markers. I only have, I think, 3 Cricut markers. So that's going to be fun to do those. Multi-pen set gold. Oh, they're different tips. Different size tips on there. And they do fancy swirls and stuff. Fun. And then this is Anna's Lovely Layered Cards. And they got it child adult proof, so I can't really open it, but I think those are the cards that it will make. 100+ unique images, so it must be like a digital thing or something. I can't read it. 48 layered cards. So now I'm really confused. Digital images and layered cards. And I got this toolkit with the paper trimmer, because I already have 4 paper trimmers, but all those awesome tools, which will go good in that other kit that I got, the accessory bag. So that's kind of cool. And a stylus, or I think that's a stylus. I'm not really sure what that is. Essential tools. I don't know. Portable trimmer, trimmer replacement blades, trimmer scoring blade, scoring stylus. There we go. Weeder, tweezers, spatula, scissors, and a scraper cleaner. And I have a spatula and I love it, but be careful, it will slice your finger. Found that out the hard way. And then Cricut vinyl. I think this is brown. looks brown. It's hard to tell. This room's not very well lit. And that's a 12 by 48 inch vinyl roll. It might be black, but I think it's brown. And then, ooh, the holographics. I don't know if, I haven't shared my picture. I already gave it to a friend, but I did some holographic vinyl for a friend for her birthday. Stuff is amazing. And then more transfer tape. And, well, I'll go ahead and show you this one. I already showed you one of them. See, he's over here on my Cricut. This is the Flamingo Cutie. And, because there's one more thing in here, but he's just kind of hanging out there. Not broken, another cutie. And I have to ask the grandkids for names for those guys. So there's 2 cuties. No, Teresa, you're not getting my cuties. And then the last thing, this is a spring cleaning bundle kit number 1, is this. It's an Enchanted Materials Kit. It has a 12 by 12 inch adhesive foil, gold, 12 by 12 holographic sparkle iron-on, silver, a 12 by 12 party foil silver and gold, foil accents, materials, gold or metallics, gold and silver, glitter cardstock fabric, and there's a whole bunch of other stuff. So I'm going to open it up. Washable fabric pin and a digital content card. And so I'm pretty sure it makes all of these goodies, because the other one in my other video it made 5 and I didn't realize that. So there's like a box and then some foil streamers and a little fabric bag, which I've seen a lot of people do. And then I think this wall art piece right here too, which would be freaking amazing. I'm not really an elephant person, but I think they're kind of cool. They tape this on so you can't get it open. And the boxes are kind of cool because they're like a cardboard sliding drawer. So you could like reuse them if you wanted to. Another cutie! So it was bundle number 1 that you got the second cutie in, not bundle 3. This one is amazing. Look at his little antennas. Those are freaking cute. Yay! I wasn't expecting him. That's awesome. Now that that's all exciting. Another cutie. So this I think is the fabric pin. It's kind of stuck in there. Yep, that's the fabric pin. So I'll have to learn that. And some pretty fabrics to make that coin purse. And the instructions here. Oops. So this one says a foil acetate project instructions for the loveliest gift box. It's all, looks like you can see through it. I mean, obviously you can see through it. And then there's that. Party foil instructions. Adhesive foil mat. Oh, here we go. I don't know what I'm doing. There's no pictures, but I'm pretty sure it's the things on the box that you can do. And this is all my foils here. Glitter cardstock. I hope it doesn't come off. I hate when glitter comes off. I can't get it open. Okay. Yay, it doesn't come off. Red, pretty pink. Those are actually really super pretty, and I'm not a huge glitter person. And it's like a never-ending box. This is the gold and silver foil mat. So there's only 2 sheets in there. I have to learn that because I had problems with that one as well. So if you have tips or tricks on that. Leather, faux leather champagne. 1 sheet in there. And it just keeps going. Holographic sparkle, silver and gold. I don't know how the lighting's going to work on that. And let's see, party foil silver and gold. And, oh, this is the candy box. Look at that. That is so cool. It's got polka dots and diagonals, slants, whatever. Gold and silver. So there's 1 of each there. That is super exciting. So that's my spring cleaning bundle number 1 with 2 cuties, the flamingo and the gold one. And I wasn't even expecting him. He's so cute. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by. Have a fabulous day. Like, comment, and subscribe.